Hello creatives, welcome to another After Effects tutorial session by Simplified Arenas. In today's course, I'm going to be teaching you how to do the Typewriter Text Effects in After Effects. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, we start by opening After Effects. I'll be showing you how to do this text effect in under 1 minute. So after opening After Effects, I'm just going to create our new composition, our new project, and then I'll create our composition. I will call this composition Typewriter Writer Text. I'm just going to use our type tool to insert our text. So I'll call the text type writer. And then to add our typewriter effects, I'm just going to go to effects and presets, and then I'll search for typewriter. Then I drag the typewriter effects and I drop on our After Effects layer. Guys, thank you for watching. That is how you create a typewriter effect in After Effects in under a minute. This effect is very useful for motion graphic designers. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorial.